Right, how are you everyone? So, I've just put everything back on the tractor now. What I can do. All the wheels are back on. They've turned out really well. Radiator's on. Seat is on. Steering. The linkages are all back together. Got new pins for there. Just need to paint them. Need to get another bulb for there. But yeah, turned out well. Just done the wiring loom. Put the air cleaner on over there. I'll put that on. It was a bit of a struggle. Hang on, let me get the light. It was a bit of a struggle. There you go. It wasn't matching up right, and when I was doing it, I could only fit that bolt and that bolt in, but for some reason that didn't want to fit properly. Let's see, there's a bit of a gap there, but it's all came together all right. So I was thinking it's all right. I done that. Done the exhaust. Wiring loom is in. I just need to get a heater switch for it. Done everything. Need to just wire these two into the switch. Need to buy a solenoid and attach these. I think these two must be the same wires. It's on the dynamo. There. There's the diagram. I just have to try fathom it out. What I had to do was, when I took the old wiring loom off, I saw the continuity between each one of these wires to see which way they had to go in. So I've done that.